Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
On a 2020 Ram 1500, the headlight bulb is not serviceable through a rear access port, so you must remove the front bumper cover to reach the headlight housing. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts and set a soft pad under the bumper. Remove about 8 push clips and 6 10mm bolts securing the lower valance and bumper cover. Keep clips in order and mark their locations. With bumper removed, you gain full access to the headlight assembly for safe bulb replacement. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery cable and wearing gloves to protect the bulb and your skin. Remove the lower valance by pulling 8 push clips, then unbolt 6 10mm bolts that hold the bumper cover to the subframe and fender. Work one side at a time and have a helper support the bumper when you remove the last fasteners. Carefully unclip electrical connectors and any sensor wiring. Then lift the bumper straight off and set it on a padded surface to avoid scratches or dents. With the bumper removed, unfasten the headlamp retaining screws, unplug the wiring harness, and twist out the bulb socket from the housing. Handle the replacement bulb by the base only, do not touch the glass surface with bare fingers, and confirm the bulb type matches the vehicle requirement. Reinstall the socket, reconnect the harness, then reconnect the negative battery and quickly test low and high beams and turn signals. If all functions are good, reseat the bumper. Tighten 6 10mm bolts, replace 8 push clips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.